But you have to see that. Do you see that? Okay, for those of you who have brought our faux branch, see how it's mushy and foam? We clip it on each side, and then I curl baby in my hands, and then Alex does a tie.
Preferably this is even, but you know.
I know, it's not even right now. Usually it is. Sometimes. What do you do with the long side?
Same thing I do with the short side. It's just going to be uneven at the end.
All right. And then we want to make sure to move the light really high above baby. Look at that, perfect. Okay, so he's smiling. See, he smiled when you finished that, Alex. Because he was like, that was such a good time. I don't have any posers under his head. A lot of people ask if I have a poser under the head. I do not. And then you see the light is above. And there we go.
We get the light.
So cute.